So hello guys, in this video I'm going to introduce you to a AI studio that has all-in-one AI video generation capabilities. It provides you feature like audio translation, video translation from one language to another, AI avatars, image to avatar, text to video generation, and many more features, product to video generation, promotional video, marketing video, business video, whatever you want, this application has it all. So now let us move on to the website. The website name is www.aistudios.com. This is a all-in-one AI studio. So what you are gonna do, you are gonna sign up first, and after you sign up, let us move on to the
The pyramids, the pyramids are out of frame. Should I move them in frame?
ठीक है, मैं इन्हें फ्रेम में ले आती हूँ। क्या बेहतर है? अब यह काफी बेहतर लग रहा है, तो ठीक है, समस्या हल हो गई।
So after you complete the sign up, you are going to head over to the option called AI dubbing in the home page. You can upload the video or you can upload the simple URL. For now, I'll upload the URL of the video, and here you can select the target language. For now, I will select Hindi language. It will auto detect original language. Then you can create on this export button. So after you hit on export, your video will be get exported within
मेरे पीछे
couple
IG
of
पिरामिड
minutes.
है। अभी ये
So, and you can also download the video in the highest quality possible. Yeah.
Hello, my name is Mia, and I am
And the
not
second
real.
feature is-
I am created using an AIstudios.com. Make sure to sign up and try.
So you can convert a AI photo into an AI avatar for multiple purposes, like generating videos, like generating business videos, generating music videos, or promotional videos, whatever you like. So as you can see, I went to that option, and here you can put the prompt, whatever you want to speak. Here I will write, hello my name is Mia. You can also choose the voice from the top right corner. I'm created using an AIstudios.com. Make sure to sign up and try. Let me mention I am not real. And you can also choose the language which you want. For now, I will let the language be English, and you can hit on export. And there are also multiple options like framing. You can frame if you want circular frame, if you want rectangle frame, if you want voice only. You can do all of this stuff as well. And now let me export it, so you can see the result. You can also change the fine tune the language audio. And there are many other templates.
Hello, my name
voices
is
you can
Mia,
choose
and
from.
I am not real. I am created using an AIstudios.com. Make sure to sign up and try.
And now the third option, the third feature that is interesting is tech prompt to video. You can type a prompt and it will automatically generate a video for you. So you can head over to video generator. You can see there are so many models from which you can choose. So for now I will be using King 3.0. You can choose an image and you can just write on the prompt, and you can select how many seconds video you want, what is your orientation of the video, how many pixels, and you can hit on generate, and after a few minutes your video is ready. So I have given the link in the description. You can go over there and sign up right now.